In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Slack on your laptop in just a few simple steps. Whether you're setting up Slack for the first time or just looking to refresh your memory, I'll guide you through the process for a smooth and seamless installation. Slack is an essential tool for communication and collaboration, especially in team environments, and having it on your laptop ensures you can keep up with your work on the go. Let's start by heading over to the official Slack download page. This is your first step, so open your browser and search for the Slack download page, or enter the URL directly if you have it. It's important to get the application from the official site to ensure you're downloading a safe and up-to-date version. Getting it from unofficial sources might put your system at risk or cause compatibility issues. Once you're on the download page, you'll typically see a prominent button that says Download. Clicking on this button will begin the download of a file with a .exe extension. This is the installer for Slack, which you'll need for the next steps. If your browser asks you to confirm the download, go ahead and do so. This file is generally quite small, so the download should only take a moment depending on your internet speed. After the file has finished downloading, navigate to your Downloads folder where the file will be located by default. Double-click the downloaded file to start the installation process. You may be prompted by your operating system to confirm that you want to run this file. This is a standard security check, so just go ahead and click Run or Yes to proceed. Next, follow the on-screen instructions. The installer will guide you through the steps necessary to install Slack on your laptop. Usually, it's just a matter of clicking Next a few times, but make sure to read each step so you're aware of what's being installed and where. Most users can stick with the default options provided without any issues. Once the installation is complete, Slack will launch automatically. You don't need to do anything here, except wait a few seconds for the application to start up. If for some reason it doesn't open, you can find Slack in your list of programs and open it manually. Now that Slack is up and running, the final step is to log into your account. Use your credentials to access your workspace, and voila, you're all set up and ready to start using Slack to communicate with your team, join channels, and keep track of projects. And there you have it. A quick and easy guide to installing Slack on your laptop. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more informative videos.